Please take a comfortable position. You have the choice of lying down or being seated. I invite you to close your eyes and just take a moment now to settle into yourself. If you like, you can place a hand on your chest or on your belly. And just connect with yourself. Connecting with your breath, breathing in and out. No need to force anything. We just want to connect with our breath in this moment. Noticing this subtle rhythm in our body, whether it be the expansion or the contraction. This gentle rise and fall as we breathe. Being present in this moment. Noticing the breath moving in and out of our nostrils. Cool coming in and warm coming out. Bringing your focus to where your body is making contact with the surface that supports you. You're seated, it could be your feet on the floor, or it could be your bottom on the chair or on the meditation cushion. If you're lying down, it could be your back on the floor or on your bed. Just focus on where this contact is. Feeling how your body is heavy here, how it's pushing down. And how the surface below you is supporting you, pushing up towards you, holding you. keeping our attentions focused inwardly. We'll begin to scan our body, and we're just witnessing the situation, accepting whatever data presents itself, listening to what our body wants to communicate with us in this moment, leaving judgment aside. This information is not positive or negative. It just is. This is your experience in this moment in time. You can bring your attention to your toes, to the soles of your feet, to the top of your feet. Ankles, calves, shins, knees, your bum, your back, your belly, chest, moving down to our fingertips, palms of our hands, the top of our hand, wrists, forearms, elbows, biceps, shoulders, neck, cheeks, mouth, nose, ears, eyes, forehead, your head as a whole. Turning inward and feeling your body in its entirety in this moment. Imagine the center of your body, this bright white ball of healing energy. Imagine it slowly growing here inside you, feeling its energy. Maybe it has a temperature. Maybe it feels electric. Maybe there's even a little bit of a crackle kind of sound. Allow this white healing energy to slowly start expanding, slowly growing, allowing it to creep across your entire body until it is completely surrounding you in a beautiful bubble of white healing energy. How do you feel in this moment? Allow this healing energy to expand even wider, encompassing the room that you're in, the building you're in. Imagine it flowing down your street, growing bigger and wider, reaching up into the sky, reaching as far as your eyes can see. This beautiful, healing white energy. Allow this energy to flow out from you into the world, into the universe, and beyond. Accepting this feeling of oneness, wholeness, peace. Slowly drawing your attention back inwards into your body in this moment. Connecting again with your breath. Just noticing your natural rhythm, expansion, contraction, inhalation, exhalation. Begin making any small movements necessary. Come back into your body. Could be a wiggle of the fingers, the toes, rotating of the shoulders, turning your head left to right, doing any soft, sweet movements that you need in this moment. And when you're ready, open your eyes softly and sweetly. Take this feeling of unity and peace forward with you in the rest of your day. And thank you so much for joining me. Ciao.